So let's talk about impact of recession on business. Decreased demand. The top reason for decreased demand for products and services is that companies are facing problems during a recession. As manufacturing slows and bills go unpaid, companies cut costs and improve the bottom line. It might require temporarily reduced services or product quality when you can't afford to adhere to your usual standards. For example, food suppliers are hustling with slower cash flow. The primary strategy to maintain demand includes offering repeat customers. By doing so, the food supplier may be able to preserve its customer base, collect cash sooner, and increase sales from current customers when the recovery begins. Thank you for watching this video. I have prepared a complimentary mini course on the topic, The Lazy Man's Way to Find Out How to Generate Income During Recession. This course is now available on our website, and you can access this course by clicking the link given in description. So grab your copy right now.